Hey guys, it's UnicornDaley back with another video. Today I'm doing this thing that I've seen with like people take their squishies, they do like the alphabet, and if they don't have the letter they do a punishment. So I was planning to do that, and basically that's what I'm going to do. And my punishment is going to be, if I don't have it, I have to do hangman. And at the end, if the man is hung, I have to cut 3 of my favourite paper squishies open. So just getting with it. So A is for apple, and I do have this set up already. B is for book. C is for cookie. D is for donut. E is for emoji. F is for face. G is for gummy bear. H is for heart. I is for ice cream. J is for juice, and this one's tiny and it looks a bit dull for juice, but it's orange juice. K is for ketchup, and I tried, this one's meant to be like the ones where you hold like that and you can get bit. L is for lemonade. M is for marshmallow. N is for Nyan cat. I don't have O. Sorry, I can't remember the alphabet. I've been doing something like this. So, do you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that little line. So, that's P is for pillow. I don't have anything for Q. I'm going to need to get a darker colour. All my ladies, listen up. R is for random, like a random sushi that I made. S is for Snapchat symbol. Super cute. T is for toast. U is for umbrella, which this one kind of failed. And that's the only squishy bit, is that bit. I didn't make this bit squishy. I don't have V. So, W is for waffle, and this is so cute. I don't have X. I'm getting close. Y is this YouTube symbol. And Z is for zebra stripes. So that's it. As you can tell, I didn't hang him, but just for fun, I'm going to cut one. I am going to cut this dog. Can't believe I'm doing this. Cut. I can't believe I cut it. Oh, I don't even think I can save this thing. Oh well. But guys, before I do leave, just a quick little thing. In the future, I'm planning to do a paper squishy dares. So if you have any dares, comment them down below. And so, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, turn on notification, and I will give you a shout out in my next video, which will be the dares. So I can't remember this video's shout out because I can't remember her name, but I will get it and give her a shout out next video for this video. So But while I'm here, actually, I'm going to show you my favourite squishy, which is actually this little thing. It's super cute and I like it. But yeah, I mean, I do have more squishies than the ones that I've shown in the alphabet. If you haven't watched my squishy collection part 1, because I am doing an updated one, because if you can tell, I've made a load of different ones. But yeah, I mean, that's about it for this video. Like I said, like this video, subscribe, and I will try to find something to give as a giveaway. If not, I will buy something. But I think that's about it. Goodbye.